Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable Shop Pay Installments BNPL in Shopify Payments. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Shopify admin. Once you open your Shopify admin, you can simply go to the settings section. Once you start and go to the settings section, you can find the Shopify payment section where you can also find the option called manage. Simply tap on it and then check the box for Shop Pay Installments under the Shop Pay section to save. Ensure you have Shopify Payments and Shop Pay activated and you meet eligibility criteria such as your store being located in USA, Canada, or UK and selling in a supported currency as well. If you do this, then you can simply enable your Shop Pay installments as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.